Hi, I'm Julia Moffat and I'm the coordinator of Greening Fishguard and Wdig. We're a community group who started about 7 years ago, and we look after the green spaces in our twin towns of Fishguard and Wdig. It's such a marvellous project because we bring together so many different people in the community. We have working parties. You can see the Golden Mile behind me here, which is our flagship, I suppose, because it's in the centre of the town. But we have orchards, we have wildflower meadows, and it's just a wonderful project.
This is a project that really just happened. It started with this bench and it grew, and people have really appreciated it. Lots of people have stopped and talked to me. I've made a lot of new friends, and people say it lifted their spirits, particularly during the lockdowns. People who live on their own, maybe they didn't speak to anybody else the rest of the day, so it really served its purpose in that way, and I'm really pleased the way that it's gone. And it's a very pleasant place to be.
I got involved doing this project from William's bench, and we were sitting there looking out on something that was horrible, covered in brambles, weeds, and then we decided that it was best to flatten this area and bring it into a garden.
When we first started, I suppose the beds were what you would call municipal beds. They were just annuals and daffodils that were dug up each year, and we've turned them into what we call sustainable beds. So they're attracting bees, they're attracting insects, and we don't have to dig them over each year, which is a real bonus.
Before the seat was put there by Val, we just used to walk through here. But now that the seat was there, then people would stop and we'd talk to each other.
And in January, I placed a tree here asking people what they wished for in 2021. So it just grows. Every time you come by, there's something new, and people have donated plants, and local visitors like it as well. They think, what's going on here? And it's all just very gently done.
For me, it's been a really successful place. I just absolutely love it, you know, and I come past here at least twice a day.
Oh, we really hope that this will expand. We've got the children from Abergwaun involved, and they look after what we call Dr. Bob's veg plot, which is in West Street car park. And it's so wonderful to see them looking at what they've actually planted and eating what they've actually planted. I think that the future of this is with our young people. We've got to gather more volunteers who will come along. People can work on their own, they don't have to come to working parties, and we see our future in planting trees, so we're going to be planting more and more trees in the community. If anyone wants to come along, please just get in touch with me.